Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Miracast requires both. Next, open Action Center with Win+A, then click Project or press Win+P to bring up projection options. You're doing this now because Windows needs to detect a receiver. If you skip enabling the other device, nothing appears. Once done, choose Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen only as your initial selection, so Windows begins the connection handshake. Once the receiver shows up, click Connect. You should see its name under Connect to a wireless display. If prompted, accept pairing on the other device. Make sure PINs match if one appears. After connecting, open Settings System Display to set resolution, scale, and orientation. You do this because projection inherits these values. Mismatched scale causes UI to appear too large or small. Finally, choose Duplicate versus Extend depending on whether you need a mirrored or expanded workspace. To finish, use Win+P to confirm the active mode and tweak as you work. This gives quick control without diving into settings. Make sure power settings won't sleep the PC or receiver. Changes can drop the session. If you encounter lag or no connection, update your wireless and display drivers and verify Miracast support in the adapter spec. As a final troubleshooting tip, restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then reboot both devices. This clears temporary networking faults and often restores projection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.